We're getting a TVS. What else?
Low side fuel system or so fuel system, flex, 5-inch intake, and the heartbeat.
Damn, you knocked the heartbeat out pretty quick.
Yeah, I had to pull half of it back apart because I didn't know it was getting a different snout.
Oh, bummer.
So I was like, oh, this is a different upper pulley. No, that's a snout. So I had to rip it all back apart.
Oh, it's a pretty cool swap on these.
Yeah, I like this car. It's already got a head cam.
Oh, it does?
Yeah.
Oh.
Sold my first 2650 today.
Yeah? To
It's a C7Z coming in.
different one, not the white one.
No, this one's a Magnuson 2650.
Ooh. Are they out officially yet?
Yeah, Superchargers Online has 5 of them, and I got one.
What's the retail? 15?
No, $6 grand.
For a 2650?
Yeah, for Maggie.
I thought you have to do port injection. Huh.
The LT5 is 15.
Oh, okay. This is a really nice car. I didn't know it was head cam already.
Yeah, this thing's gone through some cool iterations, man.
I remember it when it came in factory.
Yeah, because it baselined like crap because they filled the tank wrong, and so it was out at.
That's right.
It made like 430.
That was Christmas.
Yep.
Yeah, I remember that.
It made like 430.
And he already has heads cam.
Heads cam. We did bolt-ons first, then we did heads cam. I think this thing made like 720.
What's it gonna make now?
830, 840.
Pretty cool. Make a lot of torque and on the hit and stuff, you know. It's funny watching the ZR1. It's kind of soft out of the hole compared to like Nick's car. You know, it's interesting. I think it's just because the blower's so much bigger, you know.
That night, it doesn't give it full boost out the hole.
No, I think that, and it's not a torque management thing either. I think it's just an inherent design. It's probably a good thing.
It's probably helping it.
Yeah.
I mean, it cut a 140.
That's pretty
now
nuts.
Amps did a 125.
Oh my god.
So we'll see what happens when I start cranking it up.
Right. What you doing here, pal?
Yeah. What a cam.
This is 06?
No. Base model.
Nice.
6-speed.
Already has headers.
Bolt-ons, flex. Page 412.
It already has flex. What's the big difference in quarter mile time in 6-speed versus 8-speed? Not much?
Not much.
Really? What you doing here, buddy?
Swapping out the old set of headers for cook set.
Nice.
Yeah.
What kind of cooks? 2-inch?
I have no idea.
You don't know what kind of parts you're installing?
Headers.
Oh my god.
Go fast parts.
I'm getting anxiety. He doesn't know what kind of parts he's
Just
installing.
go fast parts, dude. I don't know.
How's this, have you pulled the old ones out yet?
It's all done. I just gotta check the oil.
Oh, cool.
Because I had to drop the oil to get the old ones out because those things are huge.
Those are the old ones are
Yeah.
huge?
Yeah, the old ones are huge. The newer ones, like, the collector doesn't go until here on the old ones. but collector starts here on these ones.
I see.
Yeah.
Interesting.
So that's about it.
I'm digging it. Looks clean under here.
Yeah.
Just gotta put the X pipe back. Oh no, it's on.
No,
Right.
everything's. I just gotta put this shield on and then start it and test the oil, because you gotta get these ones on the dry sumps to 165.
Yep. And then yeah, makes sense. All the washers and
I'm hoping I don't have to use these.
the bolts.
No, the washers.
Oh.
Because the washers were to lift it up to like make clearance.
Oh, for
shield.
the.
So I'm hoping since these are a smaller set, I won't have to use them.
All right. Well, let's see. Looks like it clears the.
Oh yeah, we got it.
Nice. You lucked out. Easy mode.
Don't want to play Tetris with washers. Do I gotta do something different to this since I took the battery off?
No.
Because I pressed it and it like spun for a second and then everything just shut off again. And then it has a check engine light. I don't know. A lot of times after you detect it, the first time it'll go. That's what it did.
What's that?
And then the second time. Oh, okay.
No, as long as it's turned up all the way. That could be a hot look. I got it draining already. That helped.
It's hot, man. Well, I picked up a lot of torque.
It is hot as I mean, the mid-range is fairly good, but I'll be curious to see what this one will do then in the good weather.
Yeah.
That's good.
Should be more.
Alright, I'm happy.
That will be a kick in the pants.
Big difference.
Yeah. It is hot.
It is very hot.
That is after some serious pulls.
What we got, bud?
C7 target top.
Target top?
C7 trunk tank. Target top accessible.
Whoa. That thing's huge.
5.5, I believe 5.6 gallons.
Damn. That's nice.
Fits in there like a glove too.
Sure does.
Check it out.
Damn. I like that.
Pump sits right in here. And then, there's an outlet tube that runs from this bottom fitting 11 inches back to here, so it's easily accessible.
Okay. And this is for C7Zs or just C7 targets?
This would be for the target top.
Okay.
Because it clears the target top. You can still
Put the target top. Okay, yeah,
put it
yeah,
in
yeah.
the trunk. Yeah.
That's dope.
And customer can cut his trunk liner if he wants and still access the fuse panel and everything. Can even run the net if you still want to. Run it behind it.
I like it.
I love it. Tell me what you took.
Look how it sits in there like already good without brackets. It fits
Hey, as long as you like it, you know, it doesn't matter if I hate it.
It's fine.
How many gallons?
5.6.
Yeah.
It's pretty decent.
Cool. I'll weld it up. Right me out.
Yeah, that fuel line's pretty hot.
I like it.
It's cool you go just return style and just say F it, you know?
I think it looks sick how it comes off smooth. And
Oh, yeah.
It has that nice roll.
Yeah.
And then it just rolls like 9 feet over.
This is like the best way to do like fuel line, man.
Brake lines came out pretty sick.
Yeah, they did.
What is the drive shaft the right length?
We gonna learn.
Yeah, good it was.
Oh, that's a little short.
That was a little short. That will do though.
It's marked. Look. Turn it. It's marked where the lip is. Pull it back out.
Oh, you know what? I did that because I was like, that doesn't look like it goes in very far.
Oh, that's a decent amount.
I remember that now.
Plenty. Perfect, bro.
Might as well just bolt that bitch in, I guess.
You might as well. Tell him to eat it.
You know, help him put that blower on?
Huh?
I help him put the blower on.
Ribs.
You know, put your bolts in this drive shaft.